This video is to establish or to share with everyone my procedure for calibrating my ESCs. I've done some pre-testing already before this video, and I've established that my transmitter, the throttle range, is from 0.9 milliseconds to 1.8 milliseconds. My motors, what I did was I used a Y cable and my servo tester, and I paired it, and I found out that my motors do not start spinning until about 1.3 milliseconds. Also on this copter also, the motors do not start spinning until about 1.3 milliseconds. Now each brand of ESC has a number of precision steps within the throttle range. This information is not readily available, and you have to really dig for it, but the range is 56 steps, 128. The Hobbywing brand and all of its remarketed or rebranded ESCs have 200. Your higher end ESCs like your Castles have 128 and even more. However, I have the Hobbywing brand, so basically what I'm going to do is use my servo tester, and I have already pre-established the range by using function 0. I programmed in the maximum and minimum range. But I'm going to use function 1, and my maximum is set to 1800, which is the wide open throttle for my transmitter, and I'm going to establish the low end at 1.2 milliseconds, which is 0.1 milliseconds just below where my motor started to spin. Okay, so I'm going to set the top limit, which is the same as if I was to have the throttle at wide open. And now I'm going to apply power for the ESCs. And now I'm going to set the low limit. Okay, and that's about it. And I will repeat this process for the other ESC. Now the reason for this is that what this does is that places the maximum amount of steps within the range that the motors are spinning, which then creates a situation where the gyros can more accurately control the motor speed.